Jamu achemu akwa Badom TV Badwam jumade so anopai samwasie na brason sa wotibi sa Adom TV Badwam kase doso na etoja omubi ya wobetie ni Ghana Publishing Association se aban na adwene pobi a won mo afasa wode to betoto textbooks ahodo a yakraba no ohwene hu yi mama onyine hu achinyemfa makora na benya nsonso ewo nwomasua ye de bebro enipa mienu nso ene nsu afa won ewo faana afimwani ena nkodankono sukufo womo ekuskuansu edo wonko yede honsam no ebeba no nsem bi na no pay mede bro Adom TV Badwam kase o share live on Facebook/Adom TV Extra Go TV 119 DSTV 280 YouTube ye Adom TV 2 mede afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni de mientie se den nsem ni chiremu ankasa etie Ghana Publishing Association one more etro books ahodo se aban adwen poni ni hwehwe bia waye ne se books a credible memo what the VAT to so 27.5% no obono kokko onyai momo nya kura fi so okoye pe ebenya how ewe nwomasua anase adusua so Adom TV kase eto so
last year aban na adwen se or the VAT but imported books so and VAT so but to textbook selling from sales so now can you bo mu amount 27.5% and you ko yi uni ama report but you at 27% of the value na if you about cheap na ya ka say su nim say ene no dollar some kosoro any ade and ama already no ye ho kire kakra no crampo de publisher de ye no to ho adwuma na ye nyemfa substitute wi an ye pe and ye hwedi ye delete akoma minister say yesre na daroma of education on the finance nkasama ye no mo nhwe na emre no nso se ombe saade no o se nyina didi nkomo no ye hwe how e be se build the local printing industry sector no ama etimi take care of sa vacuum ne beba no enti ahweanim na mreso kwa na eko tina wo se e de tudwa na ama timamfo na me adwen se publishers for na ye pesi ka bi age afro mo
adehye ya womo ewofa na se ensuo na da won ho no gusu efa wo adehye to no no nsie do na afimu ani ne beto odwa se suku mo frankono ensuo no afa won mo ko bra subonto a na womo de befie womo pon school womo de befie no emunkam efemu Adom kase ko ho no mo kwa akohwe afie chide na akoso ene yakote se ensuo no gusu efa adehye bi de kwa yamane boni kwa menum etwaso
ahaye fana so be ka ya afie twemu na school kola bi etwa ensuo ahwi a wo mun share life jacket omo wo ha afinie me ekoso wa no ebi na wo hu no omo koyi bebi asa kudro no efre ba no eho na me pese fo ne twa na wo hwe bebi a kudro bi eba wo no eho na omo ko nanso ade efre ne life jacket no omo nhye bi omo dodo na e patre se life jacket omo ndo ba ha no be se 9 na 9 no school kola omo cross sansuo yi anumpo no enso omo oni Adom kase ye twetwe nkomo no wo kire se dodo na nsuro gugem a wonim de besi ye kire ebra ye koduro faana no ehunu so manfo bi wa rehemu ne ni da so se obetwa nsuo no akwaba na nso life jacket a obetimi de abo won ho ban ne de ebi nhye wo mo o kire mu a enre wuko ye yi enipa mienu nsuo yi fa wo mo a ba ko mu wo hunu asie ofofore ka ho no ohunu na mu besi ne
na adensi mi won so mu mi tu net na mi ti dede no obi mbra o me be ko no nipa na aka so mu up to now ye nya hu no small boy ye nya hu no
nipa wo se okura kodoa no ye se hu aye trouble bi nti kodoa no we jesu hodo mo nti na ade ne happy ya nti sa kodoa no wo hanka se na nipa mienu na ekato
Adom TV Badwam kase na guso ehwe no na convener ema Adom so must stop sinitwani abayo Yvonne Nelson nene wose wabona homoden pass nwakuo bi etese Imani Africa ya 2015 mo won mo eka won ho ma Adom so vigil eba so no ka wombesa beka won ho afie mu de nanso mu bia ni ho a ofi won mo nanso ni nyina mu no empusu won se bia won bejai Adom so no wo ho ntia wo so otwe aban no adwene siso se e de wo hawo bre won a Adom TV kase etwaso.
I believe you guys saw all of that on Twitter. I sent a tweet. I also I issued a statement. I sent them WhatsApp messages. Too bad they both did not reply my messages. So of course they know everything that's going on, and yeah, it's quite unfortunate they are not a part of us now. I believe that any Ghanaian who has the passion, you know, who wants to see a better Ghana can join in, and it's going to work out all right. If Kofi Bentil, Imani Ghana, and the MPP would not support us or join us, it's not going to stop some of us. You know, I'm a Ghanaian, and I believe all of you here are being affected negatively by Dumso. The same people are also saying that, oh, and I said Dumso wait there, 6 months, and do 1 year. So why are you doing it? 2015 was 4 years. So the same people you're saying that are giving me pressure, others are also saying that, but you can't compare this Dumso to Mohammed's time, you know. So whatever you do, whether you cut your head for Ghanaians and put it on a platter, people would complain, you know. I believe that the timing is right. I am frustrated.
Penny Kwancha for the Ghana Tourism Authority, I know ye Kwesi Ajamai. Now about Adom TV abaso pa se wo watch yatwe won madwene e de asi Independence Square tete ana tete apansam no enem penifo gu so ye ho adwuma dendendenden o mabo apro akohwe de adwuma no ekro e no de abaso body ma Adom TV a yetwaso yi
many aji papa because event center kese emanation no and then also symbolize your independence. It symbolize a coin penny for coin, especially Oshe the lone ranger soldier no general they be a midu and a no then I so yeah their boy mine inti it mean no it's a same musa inti na penny for a core renovation course a course independence arch and also a course nationalism park a course geese park no ni na be no na akabo manayefe ye da mase bebre
was sign edit to just say
yene collective assembly ena ye wo kubi omo from humanitech omo ye South Korea for omo the lights baba ye anaju kania abia ese ewia na obi huno wo share pictures ne ade na efe ena collective so ena commercial so ena national security omo ma ye penie say yenye nyema kakra wo ho nti so far ye children's play area kakra wo ho ya restaurant ho ya snack bar ho ni ya nationalism monument a wo ha obetuma nationalism o ma amode omo sika omo bataye ni omo ahoden emboaye ma ye nyina ye kambo mo as one country utwem ko ha Geese Park so same thing ye create a very big recreational center wo hono ma eno so be ye krabehwe na nyina ni edum se ewie na de ka kwame nkoma park ho a na kan kran
Esunafo North Mrashe Bedwani wono anso eye osofo be de kire ya wo sports so eye Evans Opoku Bobie oyenya so ade de cement bag aduonum 50 bags akọ Technology Solution Center eye TVET school a ewo go so eye mkrum so wono monye nansenso to wi akire ase wono mo classrooms ni binti wonye no fancy Adom kase etwaso yi
school for no classroom base at 9 me and say code 9 be on betina sua de na omo structure omo ball pavilion e de kan structure wo hono so no ne no de bugu form kra apparently me mobilize nkra no mobilize omo resources e de pija pavilion no say si hobi nti me so me ba behwe ma problem no e ba school no be sra o mo e ba me hu say adwuma principal no ene mofra na ye no e so eni Timisumi pinimachu kakeka mensaasi amanyesika amato cement 50 bucks aye de bana structure o mabon e de aye form se de be o montina mfuturu montina atechim emfa ensua de
Engineer Justice Dankwa ene ye principal a woda school ya no wonu ene wogina akyekyefoɔ ne adesuafoɔ na na mu agye cement bags yi ɛwo emahye bedwani yi honom wɔkyerɛ mu sɛ sane ama wɔnom nsa aka no ɛbɛboa wɔnom paa sɛ de bɛyi a obetumi asi classrooms no na aboa ama de kyerɛ ne adesua ho nsɛm akɔnkan
nyame ncha de honorable eteye no wana so na nkasa etu anamon eba bɛhwɛ sɛnea situation sitie na ɔse ɔkɔdachi no aba ampa ene de ya kabia nhyem waba ama saa cement 50 bags minim sɛ ɛbɛkɔ akyiri paa ama enuru bia na wɔtwe sɛ na ɛsan sɛ enya afi ne yɛkɔ akɔkɔpɛ wɔn a baba ye yankasa ye wo business and construction department o ha won baba ye
Adom TV Badwam kasia na uguso hwe na guidance and counseling unit ya no wo for municipal education directorate no one more the junior high school final year for no afa kwan a wo mo befa so na senior high school wo mo ebechusi na fe course na subject kra obeye wo ho no so ubetumi achusi a ebewi akire no enkofa hawo ne mum ebeboa wo daachen ewo nkan komo Adom kase etwaso
na wo for ne biba office anase eba school mu ho say you choose school bi so for instance you choose the we edema yeba ba koda na enya nti no mu blame ye educational workers no say ye na ya ma koda na enya ho entinesa eno so titru ka ho nti na ya organize this career guidance no so ye be treasure nkoda for them to understand well and kabe me wish crampo say parents so you betumi organize bi ama so that when choosing the schools, when choosing their courses no almost menya nimdie kakra ewo ho nti say o choose school bi ma wo ba na ye grade A school na akoda no so requirements endu ho a me pacho they should stop blaming the educational workers.
Oforikro Municipal Education Director Mrs. Dorothy Oparibedu edi efutu say mai
Debia meka KNUS University ewo ye nim he ya nti omompre na omonkobi na ankoye te so omoti ha woti ayeduase wentumi anko woti kote wentumi anko na nkrofo fie chirechire mum na omoba nti omonso omompre na omonko university na ewo omohina anu ya no na ebebo am na awofo so eni nko nkwala no na omoma omonsuade
esuafo bia oba adwumadi ase ekire wani so se ekire Adom kase
I learned that every course I do has its benefits. So I should follow my dreams, follow my heart, follow my capabilities. I mean, I'm sure me BEC in the crown. Met me who my hoarding to school.
Oh, hene ya wa watch him kwa one so ye ni fa hene watch me kwa traditional council da sebretu mampo for to so mienu de adesere na eto nananom ne obia nim won so a abne mu ye nyina ye nkamom na galamse no ye ntu ase na nakasa mu no ochire mu sase ye nyina ye soritia na ye ko a ebedi so nkunim ewo sade galamse ese ye niema Adom kase eto so
akrabe unu se dudo na mudade omo ho a omo twa enyeye ba omo dade omo abosha na omo akwakutu amuna kakra e omo nchen na sebe omo nya bibi kakra ama sebe omo ne omo yere ne omo ma edi men pese me bodi wa ha ye ko a sebe omo pani emko asom se opese oko akono edi na mesra ne se kumano omo bomodia na omo nta osabe manchi owa dwenkese a obetim da bua kro no ne kroma no ene mebu no a omo kroma no
ekasa no akire na achemdwena sehene osabe ma osu be fi aboaje editu jase de kroma kase be fato won ho so na wosia be for polyclinic pa se de be ya me be hwe manfo ayarehwe ho nsem e wo bra wontu eska bebebi afi wono be science west library se de be ya e be boa de kire ne adesua ho nsem e wo ekuru ni mu.
One of the most important things that we want to do here is hopefully the next 5 years, we will construct our own polyclinic, it can cover most of the communities here. The second thing we would like to do is to have our own library/community center for us. The future is very bright, and so we thank God
Yamani boni ya wawo Upper East region ye Halidu Dasmani ene wabo pro she ye second cycle na fei entwaso suku tertiary no so ahwe ya ne yetete ye hunu say ye vote buying ekoso wo schools ahodo no emu anyanya bia sa na tie na empo SLC de bienom ne ade sa na ekoso wo ho ena awuramu aba yamanyo sesemu ana na pro ya wo boy ensem a wote ye eni.
So you hear students saying that no toffee, no vote. You understand? Meaning if you don't give them the toffee, then they will not vote for you. That is even the senior high school level. Not talking of what? The tertiary level. So vote buying is something we cannot do away with it. No matter what. It has come to stay, as someone will say.
I can remember back in SS or senior high, I was following a friend who wanted a position, and we had to buy toffees for them before we could get their vote. And those who gave more took the highest vote. We were not able to give more, so we couldn't get the highest vote. So I think
level, if you want SP, GP, toilet prophet, at least you need to buy toffee or chewing gum, else they will not vote you. When I contested for union president back at Cali, at least, even if I do not spend, 100 cities. Why am I saying 100 cities? I should have not even spent anything. But you go to, because you say you want chairman or you want president. Oh, president. If somebody might come to even buy pure water and say, if you don't buy chairman, I've taken something, so pay for it. You understand? If you don't buy for the person, you want the tomb. So you have to definitely buy for the person. Okay. And then I had friends who definitely they were talking to people and they will tell you that if you don't buy me this, and for elections, people, your friends will even spend on your behalf. You might not even know. So for that one, I
Mayenye no so na Adom TV Badwam kase na hana bema kwan na no pay. Wada wo mede asie yedase omre no wada age. Erade mfa nkomra somdwe mu. Ne mo bekoso anso ene yatena kebe yende. Share live on Facebook/Adom TV extra or ye YouTube nso a wo search Adom TV 2. Ye wo ho eto adwumade no so. Ye kwa ba ba sima mienu na ya hwede bonkrata no na online so de aka yense. Brebe mu nso a ye no mbedi nkomo e wo phone so. Ye kwa ba